also what you all were talking about, a second story house, with 2 stories. The upstairs is extremely hot. Upstairs is always going to be 5 to 8 degrees hotter if you don't have a dual system or zone system. But if you have a standard system, you can run your fan motor, and it will help to equalize that temperature. It still will be hotter upstairs, but it would help with the difference if you don't have zone heating and cooling.